Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath today travelled less than 200 meters to the residence of his deputy Keshav Prasad Maurya, ostensibly for a personal engagement, but in a sure political sign that the BJP is trying to project a united front with just months to go for a crucial assembly election. The Chief Minister, a senior leader of the RSS, and UP's other Deputy Chief Minister Dinesh Sharma were also present at the lunch hosted by Maurya to mark the marriage of his son in the month of May, an event with restricted attendance due to COVID protocol. Right after lunch, the Chief Minister and his deputies went to the BJP office in Lucknow for a meeting that was attended by top party leaders from Delhi, BL Santosh and Radha Mohan Singh, both of whom were in the city for the second time in as many weeks. UP BJP Chief Swatantra Dev Singh was also present for this meeting, so were 20 other leaders. Hyderabad-based biotechnology company Bharat Biotech's Covaxin has shown 77.8% efficacy in Phase 3 trials. The company's Phase 3 trial efficacy data has been approved by the Centre's Subject Expert Committee. Covaxin is also likely to get clearance from the Drugs Controller General of India. Bharat Biotech had submitted Phase 3 clinical trial data of its vaccine to DCGI over the weekend. The data is yet to be published in an internationally recognized peer-reviewed journal. Bharat Biotech had earlier said that the data will be published after it is submitted to the national regulator and it will be released within approximately 3 months. The Andhra Pradesh government, which has been keen on holding physical exams for class 12 students, has been given a warning and 2 days' time to take a decision by the Supreme Court. If there is even one fatality, we will hold the state responsible. You cannot keep everything uncertain, the judges today told the state, which is yet to make any announcement regarding the exams, keeping thousands of students on tenterhooks. Most states as well as the central boards have cancelled their regular exams this year on account of COVID. At a hearing on the Plus 2 board exam issue yesterday, the top court had taken note of the situation in different states, including in Andhra Pradesh, which is keen to conduct both Class 10 and Class 12 board exams. The Mumbai police on Tuesday submitted the charge sheet in the television rating points scam case, naming editor-in-chief of Republic TV, Arnab Goswami, as an accused. Goswami and 4 others from ARG Outlier Media that owns Republic TV, COO Priya Mukherjee, Shivendu Mulelkar and Shiva Sundaram have been named as accused in the 1,800-page secondary supplementary charge sheet, reported Live Law. An FIR in the case was registered 9 months ago after former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh named the channel being involved in the scam. The People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration on Tuesday agreed to attend the all-party meeting convened by Prime Minister Modi in New Delhi, Alliance chairperson Dr. Farooq Abdullah said. After the meeting of Alliance leaders at his Srinagar residence, Abdullah told reporters that Mehbooba Ji, Muhammad Tarigami Sahib, and I will attend the all-party meeting called by Prime Minister. We hope to keep our agenda before Prime Minister and Home Minister. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti, referring to Article 370, said that the alliance came together to talk about what has been taken from them.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.